Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your PayPal password. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. PayPal, being a widely used online payment platform, requires special attention to security. So in this video, I will show you how to update how to change your password on your PayPal account. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, you have to open our PayPal. You can log in into your mobile apps or on the paypal.com on the website using your computer or laptop. Here's I'm using my laptop to log in into my PayPal account. After that, you can go to the settings by clicking the gear icon in here. From here, you can go to security. Click on security. Here's password. You can click on update. And from here, you can change your password. You can enter your current password. Now you can enter your new password in here. Now, after you finish enter your new password, you can click on change password. Now you have successfully changed your password. Now after that, you need to re-log in by enter your new password in here. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change your password on PayPal. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.